What's going on, y'all? Today's video is going to be a little something personal. Y'all stick around and watch it. I'm sure there's a few of you all that can relate. Stay tuned. Today's video is over, like I said, something kind of personal that probably many can relate to. She up and left me. I mean, just up and left. You take care of them. You give them what they need, everything, and it's not good enough. And they up and leave. Don't know what I done wrong, or what I didn't do, or whatever. But keeping it together, you know, and doing like anybody else, you know, self-respecting guy would do. You go out and you get a bigger, better, newer model. My green toolbox is gone. Got me a 68-inch EPIQ Arctic White. And for those that's never really seen the Arctic White in person, it's not white. It's like a really light primer gray. Got titanium trim and the blue on there. Guys, my other one was a KRA 2422 lime green with black trim. It says it was 55 inches wide. It was only 54. They say it's 22 inches deep. It's only like 21 and a half. Guys, I put 3 drawers into this one. No, this box is not organized yet. But I put 3 drawers in this one. I needed more room. I still got stuff laying on top, everything else. This box is so much bigger. Like my youngest boy. This one drawer alone, we could put him in a fetal position and shut him in there and play hide and seek or something. I don't know. But my other one, the whole top drawer was cram packed. I had to have a separate ratchet drawer, which I still might. But there's all my ratchets and blow mold cases. I mean, everything's just thrown in here. Once I get it a little more organized, I know I'm going to have a whole lot more room. My wrench drawer. There's a lot of real estate in there, fellas. The other one, all those wrenches in there, a couple over here. It took me 45 minutes. How to figure out to get them all situated. But hey, stay tuned. Be looking for a toolbox tour within the next week, maybe 2 weeks. Give me time to get this thing organized, and we'll get it out. Appreciate y'all watching. Y'all have a good one. Until next time, keep her wiped down and dust it off. Treat her nice, she'll treat you right. See y'all.